Oh, gee. Watch out, little cows. Good. You little ones. I'm just going to get a lot closer to it to the south. See if we can come up below it. Very, very slow moving. Good pull-off area, clear of the road. Here comes the howl ball. Come on, I'm howl rated, so you come on through. Come on. Around. Be safe now. Whoa. Hello. Look at this right up ahead. Right in front of us. Quite incredible.